Start in high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and legs extended behind you, keeping your core engaged and your shoulders, hips and feet in a straight line throughout. Bring one knee towards your chest and then return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side, then continue alternating legs throughout. The faster you go, the more explosive the exercise. Prevent hips from shifting by contracting your midsection and glute. Continue running in your plank position for 30 seconds. Repeat a total for 3-4 rounds.